At Spokane Public Schools, we embrace web content accessibility guidelines. By making web content and online documents web accessible, we provide equal access to online content. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use heading styles to meet web accessibility guidelines. Your takeaways should be how to modify heading styles and how to apply those heading styles. By default, Word 2016 configures heading 1 and heading 2 in blue tones that are not particularly readable. To modify the heading style, right-click the style and choose Modify. I'm going to start with heading level 2 as it offers an easier introduction into the settings. Set the text color to one of higher contrast. Black text on white background is most accessible. You can also format for sighted users such as bold, underlined, and alternate text choices. I will set this to italics. To set up all future blank documents with the same heading styles, check the box New Documents based on this template. Click OK. For heading level 1, I'd like to match the formatting previously used. To do this, before I adjust the style, I need to learn some things about the content. With the text selected, I note the typeface, size, and confirm line spacing. To modify the style, right-click the style and select Modify. Toggle line spacing with this button. Change the font and font size. Again, to set up all future blank documents with the same heading style, check the box New Documents based on this template. Click OK. Now you're ready to set up your document with web accessible headings. Web accessibility guidelines require headings to follow the order according to their name. For example, heading level 1 must come before heading level 2. This adds to accessible reading order guidelines. If someone is unable to use a mouse, they might tab through a website. If elements on the page are in proper reading order, tabbing delivers the content correctly. Adobe Acrobat has tools that allow more customization with reading order when a PDF is your end goal. Look for future tutorials that help with PDF accessibility procedures. Applying your style is as easy as 1. Separate your heading content from other content with a full return. 2. Select the heading. And 3. Choose your heading style from the toolbar. As you can see, once you have a heading style assigned, applying is quick and easy. When modifying a style, New Documents based on this template feature ensures new blank documents are pre-configured with your style changes. With styles set up, you can quickly change the look of your document by changing the style. For example, on heading level 2, let's change the format to bold and underlined, as I like that better. You see everywhere that uses the heading level 2 changes to match my setting. You can imagine how helpful this is when you have a document that spans several pages. You should now be able to assign custom heading styles in Word 2016.
Web accessibility starts with the content creation. Thank you for your support in making the web accessible to all.
Check online at spokaneschools.org/accessibility as we develop our video library. Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions at ivans@spokaneschools.org.